Welcome to this video. Here we are going to discuss binary number representation in the computer. There are three different methods of representing binary numbers, and you must know how to convert a decimal number into binary, as we are going to represent decimals in binary. The three representations are the sign magnitude representation, the ones complement representation, and the twos complement representation. We are going to use 4 bits for representing numbers in our examples. So let's start with the sign magnitude representation. In the sign magnitude representation, we use 0 for positive and 1 for negative in the most significant bit or MSB. We use a single bit for the sign of the number and the remaining bits for the value, that is for the magnitude. Let's represent 3 in the sign magnitude representation. Here we just have to calculate the binary representation of decimal 3, which is 011, and we have to put the sign 0 on the MSB as it is a positive number. Let's calculate the sign magnitude for a negative number, which is negative 3 in our case. First we have to calculate the binary of the decimal 3, which is 011. Then we will put 1 on the MSB to represent it as a negative number. Let's discuss the ones complement representation. Remember, the positive number representation is the same as the sign magnitude representation. Let's represent decimal number positive 3 or 3 in this system. To do so, we just have to calculate the binary value, which is 11 in 2 bits representation. But as we are using a 4-bit representation, in our case we will put zeros on the remaining bits. Let's calculate the ones complement of the value negative 3. First we have to calculate the binary representation in 4 bits, which is 011. Then to convert a positive number into a negative, we just have to complement each bit, that is we have to convert zeros into ones and ones into zeros. So our number will be 1100 in 4 bits representation. So what's the method? Calculate the binary and then complement all the bits, and that's our negative number representation in ones complement. Let's calculate the twos complement of decimal number 3. As the positive number representation is the same for all the representations, the value will be 0011 in 4 bits. Here we have to change nothing. Let's calculate the twos complement of negative 3. First we have to calculate the magnitude in binary, which is 0011 in 4 bits. Then we have to calculate the ones complement of the binary, which will be 1100 in 4 bits. Then we have to add a 1 to the least significant bit to get the twos complement. After adding 1 to the LSB, our twos complement of decimal negative 3 will be 1101 in 4 bits representation. So what's the method? Calculate the binary, complement all the bits, and then add 1 to the LSB. Remember, the positive number representation is the same in all the representations. Also, the sign magnitude representation is the simplest of all, but twos complement is the most natural because in all other representations we have a value for negative 0, which is not natural except in the twos complement. Okay, that's all for this video. We are going to learn the addition and subtraction of numbers in the upcoming video. Stay connected by subscribing to the channel and comment your thoughts. Thank you.